Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the Designed by Elegant Themes Powered by WordPress text from the footer of your website. So, this is our website page, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see the Designed by Elegant Themes Powered by WordPress text. Depending on your theme, it might say something slightly different, like Proudly Powered by WordPress. In this tutorial, we will remove it from the footer completely. Before we get started, check out the link in the description to try elegant themes, including Divi, for a great price. To get started, navigate to the main WordPress dashboard. Look for the installed Divi theme and hover over it. This will display a list of options. From these options, select Theme Customizer. Once you're on the customization page, you'll see a variety of customization options. From these options, find and click on Footer. Within the footer settings, select Bottom Bar. Here you will see different options for customizing the footer, including background color, text color, font settings, and footer credits. To remove the footer credits, simply check the box labeled Disable Footer Credits. This will immediately hide the Designed by Elegant Themes Powered by WordPress text from your footer. Once you've made this change, click the Publish button to save your settings. Now, if you look at the bottom of the customization screen, you'll notice that the footer text has disappeared. This method helps you keep your website footer clean and customized to match your style preferences. Remember to check the link in the description to try elegant themes at a great price. Thank you for watching.